So here we go. This is my second one. The first one, the decorative strip down here, this metal, was only attached in one spot, and it was like really sharp when I was cutting my finger on it. Anyways, very quickly, they sent me the second one. The second one has been absolutely wonderful. You can see the blue LED light in there. Put a little bit of water in here, and the water's boiling. And it should have an automatic shut-off on the top. That's how you open the pot. It's big enough to get your hand in and clean. Look, steaming up the lens here. And this is how you turn it on, right here on the handle. This toggle switch. Okay, so it just shut off. That's what we're going to Ooh. Oh, too hot. You got to be really careful if you used it once before. Sometimes that handle can get major hot. I'm going to just do this. That's the base it sits on. And I think the only reason that the handle got hot is because I had opened it before to pour into a coffee cup here. So this is the open button. So it's a good size to get getting foggy, getting your hand in there to clean it. I probably used it about 10 times. I got a little bit of calcium deposit on here. I tend to use distilled water or filtered water. I think it works just wonderful. It's much bigger than I thought it would be. I have a little cabinet here. I can still fit it in there, but not on the base. So I just put the base in sideways next to it. It's working really good for me. Like I said, it's the second one, but the customer service was real good. I'm happy with it.
Okay, so I bought this kettle pot for my wife November of 2020. It's now January of 2022. She uses it probably a dozen times a day, and up till recently it's basically fine, but then just randomly this hinge piece broke, and all of the plastic on it seems to be degraded. And you see these pieces are broke, and the hinge itself, where this axle would go through, they're broke. So it's made of this certain kind of plastic. This is the only plastic that's of this type on the whole machine, it seems like, and it just kind of fell apart. You know, when it was working, the hinge would go there, and the lid would go on, and we didn't have any problem. But with that hinge broken, you can't. There's no way to open it except by fighting to get it off. So take that for what it's worth. It still heats water. I don't know. I don't know if I love my wife enough to buy her a new one or just make her keep using this one. Right, honey? Mm-hmm. Anyway, that's what it is.
here, and it was working great initially, but there are a few things just to keep in mind. The lip is very, very tiny, so very hard to clean. The mesh fell off almost immediately, so just keep that in mind. And now it's completely broken. As you can see, the button doesn't even stay down. We contacted support, but because it was just over warranty, they wouldn't help us.
As you can hopefully see, this metal part is coming off, supposed to be like this, and instead it's like that.